Oh, hey there. My name is Kiefer Gordy, and I'm a sophomore at Florida Gulf Coast University, and this is my partner.
I'm Joshua Dennison. I'm a junior here at FGCU.
And we're here to talk about the local environmental issue with the American alligator. We chose to talk about the American alligator because it is one of the most fascinating creatures me and my partner believe. It can weigh up to over 1,000 pounds and it's been on this earth for millions of years.
We're here to talk to you today about the impact of human interactions with the alligator. It may seem like a very minor issue, but we are very passionate about
it. Feeding alligators is a threat to both the animal itself and humans. They get more comfortable with humans, they start trying to interact more with them, and little do people realize when they try to get a laugh out of feeding an alligator, it's actually killing an innocent animal. American alligators are a very important species in their ecosystem. They may be even considered a keystone species. This means that they affect other species in the ecosystem. For example, they are top of their food chain, so they minimize the population of other species. And their tails push about vegetation.
Large alligators also construct and maintain gator holes. These can provide shelter to many other species.
When I was a freshman at FGCU, I lived in South Village dorms, and I witnessed firsthand kids feeding the Sovi alligator, as it's kind of an iconic mascot for us here at Florida Gulf Coast University. And I don't think those kids really took into account the innocent creature's life, because he gets more friendly with humans and he ends up walking up on the path, endangering students and its own life, because now that it's too comfortable with humans, they have to extract him from his habitat.
It is important to protect the American alligator because it is vital to keep biodiversity in check. Biodiversity is the variety of life on Earth. It is very important because some species rely on others actually for survival.
Some solutions to this important issue are to educate more people so they do understand what they're doing when they are feeding alligators, how it affects the environment in a whole. As we can see now, one of the magnificent creatures itself, the American alligator. To review, don't feed alligators. If you do, you're killing them. They're innocent animals that warrant respect.
Alligators are important keystone species in their environment. They help keep biodiversity.
This issue should be taken more seriously, and feeding alligators overall negatively affects the environment in which we live in.
Thanks for tuning in. See you next week.